camera access not showing in iPhone settings for Snapchat fix. So if you've been trying to enable the camera access for Snapchat but it's simply not there in the settings, all you can try to do is you can simply try to uninstall by removing the app and clicking on delete app and reinstalling the app. Then now once you've done that, you can simply open up settings. Then from settings you can simply go to the Snapchat application from here. Then once you launch the Snapchat app, you want to make sure to simply turn on the camera access here, because you'll definitely find it from here. So after you've done that, you should be able to use the Snapchat app without any issue. Just reinstall the application after deleting it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.